New generation 15 system, currently running at 23 amps, 23.2 amps and 10.7 volts, and it's producing 2 litres of gas a minute. I see the volt current there. The new system has got new cable glands connectors or terminals on the top. It's a much more secure device. Everything apart from that is very similar. The cells are wider, 5 centimeters as against 3.5 centimeters before, so there's more plates inside the system. The bolts, the cells are linked together with push lock fittings on top there, and a bracket over the top with bolts and nut inserts on the base of the box there. A very efficient system. It's probably the best system generation 15 I've made ever. This is particularly good. We've got a power supply on top here. It's an die-cast aluminium box with the cable glands, plastic cable glands to insulate, make it waterproof, make it airtight. Ammeter on top. What else could we say? The bubbler, the gas outlet in the front there. Now, the Anderson plug, it's a 50 amp Anderson plug in the back of the unit, which you can plug into here, as you can see. This right now is connected to the power supply. There's a regulated power supply running 10.7 volts and 23 amps. With the battery voltage of 13.2 volts and lower currents, you'll produce more gas than this, so it's quite impressive at the present time. I'm very pleased with the procedure. I can be contacted on 040 317 7183 or glnox11@live.com. The webpage is hydrogenfuelsystems.com.au. Hope to speak to you again soon. Today it is the Sunday the 25th, I believe, of September. Have a great day and I'll speak again soon. Bye.